Royal Construction offers a comprehensive full home renovation service designed to completely transform and elevate your living space. With a focus on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, their team handles every aspect of the renovation process, from initial consultation and design planning to the finishing touches. Whether you're looking to modernize an outdated home, increase functionality, or enhance the overall aesthetic, Royal Construction provides tailored solutions that suit your needs and budget. Their services include kitchen and bathroom remodeling, flooring installation, painting, electrical and plumbing upgrades, custom cabinetry, and more. They also manage structural changes such as wall removal or additions, ensuring your new layout maximizes both comfort and efficiency. Throughout the renovation, Royal Construction prioritizes clear communication, transparency, and a seamless workflow to minimize disruption to your daily life. They coordinate all necessary permits, source high-quality materials, and employ skilled tradespeople to deliver exceptional results on time and within budget. With Royal Construction's full home renovation service, homeowners can expect a stress-free experience and a beautifully renewed home that reflects their personal style and enhances property value.